this is the safety pin, which goes through the nose and the arm, and then you adhere the zip tie through the pin to the grommet in the banner. To do a banner change out, you just release the tension on the spring, and you can put a wrench, handle, or any sort of tool underneath, and that releases the tension on the banner. Off, slide the banner in on the top, put the arm back in, and then put it back into the nose, re-put in the safety pin,